Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through a simple and effective way to find articles you've read on Facebook using your PC. Whether you're revisiting an interesting read or tracking down something you came across earlier, these steps will guide you to locate your activity with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open Facebook on your preferred browser. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once there, click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps track of your interactions and activities on the platform. Now, under the section labeled Your Facebook Activity, locate and click on Posts. This will filter your activity log to show only posts-related actions. Finally, look for the option labeled Articles You've Read and click on it. Here, you'll find a list of all the articles you've interacted with on Facebook. It's that simple. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to access articles you've read on Facebook. This feature is especially handy for revisiting content that caught your attention, or for organizing your reading history. Thank you for following along. If this guide was helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your online experience.